Got that old crusty carpet in your truck and now you're looking to put a new one in there. Take my word of advice, don't try to eyeball all the holes that need to be made in your new carpet, because the way that they sell them, they don't put any holes anywhere. So take them out, lay them outside, and just put the other one on top of this one and trace with a marker on the back of the carpet the holes that you got to cut. And that's how you're gonna have to do it, brothers. Eyeballing it, you mess it up. So there you have it. New carpet upside down on the floor. Put your old carpet with the front side on top of the new carpet. Get yourself a permanent marker and start marking the holes, even the little ones. More importantly, if you have a four-wheel drive, this hole right here, see my little red marker? So that's what I'm going to cut out. And don't forget all the holes. Once you cut out the hole for the four-wheel drive, you have four-wheel drive, of course, you're gonna have to start fitting the carpet before you go making any permanent holes as far as where you're gonna put the screws and everything. So you want to tuck it in as much as you can. You're gonna have excess carpet over here. You're gonna have to cut it. You have to cut it so we can slide inside. Just make sure that you have everything fitted. Cut strips off, a little strips at a time, because once you cut it, of course, you can't get it back. Hopefully you did a good job. Got the before and after. It's gonna have some wrinkles for a little while until they smooth out a little bit. I just have to admit, it's a hell of a lot better than that stinky, coffee stained, old carpet. So there you have it. Good luck to you guys.